What to know about your skin barrier and how to protect it. The skin barrier, also known as the moisture barrier, is an essential part of your skin structure that plays a vital role in maintaining overall skin health. Understanding its functions, how to care for it, and what happens when it is damaged can help keep your skin healthy, hydrated, and resilient. What is the skin barrier? The skin barrier is the outermost layer of the skin, scientifically called the stratum corneum. It is made up of skin cells, corneocytes. These form a protective wall. Lipids, fats, act as the mortar holding the skin cells together, including ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. This layer is often compared to a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and the lipids are the mortar that seals them together, creating a protective barrier. Functions of the skin barrier. The skin barrier has several crucial roles, including protection. Shields your skin from environmental damage, harmful microorganisms, and pollutants. Hydration. Prevents excessive water loss, transepidermal water loss or TWL, and keeps skin hydrated. Defense against irritants. Blocks irritants, allergens, and pathogens from penetrating the skin. Supports skin health. Maintains the skin's pH balance and supports the skin microbiome, good bacteria. Signs of a damaged skin barrier. When the skin barrier is compromised, it can no longer perform its protective functions effectively. Common signs include dry, flaky, or rough skin, increased sensitivity or redness, tightness or itchiness, breakouts or worsening of acne, infections or delayed wound healing. Causes of skin barrier damage. Over-exfoliation. Using harsh scrubs or chemical exfoliants too often. Harsh skincare products. Products with alcohol, sulfates, or strong fragrances. Environmental stressors. Exposure to pollution, UV rays, extreme temperatures, and wind. Dehydration. Lack of adequate hydration weakens the skin barrier. Medical conditions. Skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea can disrupt the barrier. Poor lifestyle habits. Inadequate sleep, poor diet, and smoking negatively affect skin health. How to protect and strengthen your skin barrier. 1. Use gentle cleansers. Opt for sulfate-free, pH-balanced cleansers that don't strip natural oils. Avoid overwashing your face. 2. Moisturize regularly. Use a moisturizer rich in ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and fatty acids to replenish the skin barrier. Apply moisturizer on damp skin to lock in hydration. 3. Avoid harsh ingredients. Limit the use of products with alcohol, strong fragrances, and essential oils. Be cautious with exfoliants like AHAs, BHAs, and physical scrubs. Use them sparingly. Protect against UV rays. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, daily, even on cloudy days. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours when outdoors. 5. Maintain optimal hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Consider using a humidifier if you live in a dry climate. Avoid over-exfoliation. Limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your skin type. Always follow exfoliation with a nourishing moisturizer. 7. Repair with barrier-boosting ingredients. Look for products containing ceramides to restore the lipid barrier, niacinamide to calm irritation and support skin repair, hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump the skin, panthenol, vitamin B5 to soothe and repair damaged skin, squalane to mimic skin's natural oils and provide deep hydration. Lifestyle tips for a healthy skin barrier. Follow a balanced diet. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, like vitamin E and vitamin C. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep supports skin repair and reduces stress. Manage stress. Chronic stress can impair the skin barrier. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Limit hot showers. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils. Use lukewarm water instead. Improved skin hydration. Maintains soft, supple, and glowing skin. reduced sensitivity. Protects against redness, irritation, and breakouts. Stronger defense. Prevents infections and environmental damage. Youthful appearance. Minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When to seek professional help. If your skin remains irritated, sensitive, or inflamed despite taking steps to repair your skin barrier, consult a dermatologist. They can recommend medical-grade products or treatments tailored to your skin's needs. Conclusion: your skin barrier is vital for maintaining healthy, resilient skin. By adopting a gentle skincare routine, using nourishing products, and protecting your skin from environmental stressors, you can ensure that your skin barrier remains strong and functional. Healthy skin starts with a strong barrier.